How to withdraw Pandabuy balance. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your Pandabuy balance. So first of all you have to do is just open the pandabuy.com and you will be landed to the official website of Pandabuy, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just hover your cursor to your profile icon from the top right, and after that just simply go to the user center from the list given below. Just simply tap on it. And over here under the user center, you will be able to see your profile and your profile ID and the balance section right here. In the balance section, as you can see that I don't have any balance in my Pandabuy account as of now. But if you have the balance, in order to withdraw it, just simply click on this withdraw section from here. Just simply tap on it. And after that, you will be able to see the start date, transaction method, withdrawal limit, discount, transaction number and action. So if you have the balance in your Pandabuy account, just you can select the withdrawal limit from here. The amount will also show up right here once you have the balance in your account. Since I don't have any balance in my account, the nothing is showing here. So if everything is fine, you just simply have to click on action. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instructions in order to withdraw your balance successfully from your Pandabuy account. So this is basically how simple it is to withdraw your Pandabuy balance from your Pandabuy account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.